Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So ngayon samahan nyo kami, punta kami ng Cafe in the Sky. So alamin natin kung ano ang meron doon. So samahan nyo kami sa rides namin. So rides muna tayo ng konti kasi ang biyahe from Cainta Rizal to Cafe in the Sky is almost 30 minutes. So alamin natin kung anong meron doon sa Cafe in the Sky. So, mas maganda pumunta doon guys kapag hapon na or paggabi na. So, doon mo masyadong mas ma-appreciate yung ganda ng tanawin doon. Magandang view dito. So maraming mapagkainan. So ayan, may mga mga mura lang na milk tea, mga unli rice, mga unli wings, ayan. So madaming mapagkainan dito. So di nyo na kailangan magdala ng food. Then sulit ang mga pagkain nila dito guys kasi mura lang. Pero ang pinaka-dinadayo talaga dito is as you can see, ayan yung pinakamagandang mga views. Ayan. So kita halos lahat yata ng Rizal yata yan. Then ayan yun may dagat. Hindi ko alam kung saang dagat yan. Tapos mga bundok. Ayan. So kita talaga yung sky na pinagmamalaki nila. Ayan. So dito nga lang pagkahapon medyo madami na talagang tao kahit pandemic. So makikita nyo ang dami pa ring tao. So dapat social distancing lang. Ayan, so yun ang ganda ng view guys. Parang nakakapag-refresh ka talaga dito lalo na pag tumambay ka lang sa gilid. Kaya nakakapag-unwind din talaga tayo dito guys pag pumunta tayo. Sa gilid lang kasi sa mga kainan sobrang daming tao. So, dito guys naman, ang schedule nila is araw-araw naman silang open. So, Monday to Sunday open sila and then hanggang 10 PM. Again guys, hanggang 10 PM lang sila araw-araw. Ayun. Just keep on watching lang guys para makita nyo yung full view ng Cafe in the Sky. Happy watching! Nag-order kami guys. Diyan kami nag-order. Katabi ng Cafe in the Sky.
So tara guys, kain tayo. So, share ko lang sa inyo guys na pag once gabi na dito, mas maganda ang view. So, pag hapon kasi, hindi mo pa masyadong ma-appreciate yung view. Pero pag once na sa gabi na, saka mo pa makikita yung ang ganda ng view gawa ng mga ilaw. Ayan. So, kain tayo guys. Tara, let's! Sobrang dami yung mapagpilian dito guys. Sarap ng pearl. Ang ganda ng view guys. Yang may motor ah.
Something never changed. I couldn't stop and say no. So say you won't take blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me go.
Sulit yung kainan dito guys, sobrang mura lang.
Bakit?
Malapit sa simbahan.
It's all the same. Something's never changed. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same. You won't take blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you.
Guys, kawin kayo sa vlog guys. Unique scenes.
And parang ikaw yung view.
Ha?
Kasi I love you.
Ayun ko na. Naisip ko na agad. Ano ba yan?
Pangit yung
Doon maganda.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Pangilinan Sky. Ang ganda ng sky at ang ganda ko din. Sexy pa.
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind